In this third and final episode, we're going to show you the finishing touches you need to do from the printing process to getting your Green Army Man painted. Now, I realised after making this, I could have just combined this all into one big episode, but hey ho. Moving into the sanding process, because there's a little bit of sanding to do. The base needs a good amount of sanding, as that's where the majority of the supports is, at least on how we printed it. And then there will be a few odd little supports that will go under his arms, in his legs, and on other parts that are required so that you get a nice clean print. Now, annoyingly, when I started painting, I realised afterward that I had covered over the camera, so you couldn't really see the painting process that much, but it's literally me spray painting. So whilst I'm doing that, let me tell you a little bit about our Patreon. So on our Patreon, we have tons of things that you can enjoy as a supporter. We are, of course, doing a massive giveaway at the end of the year where we're giving away 3 replica Slinkies to 3 lucky winners. So if you want to be a part of that, join our Patreon. If you also would love to have 3D models that we design and get them for free as part of our prototype PAL tier, head over to our Patreon. And if you also would like to enjoy other giveaways, exclusive content, as well as early access content, well, you know what to do. Head over to our Patreon. Now, back to our painting process. We used a few different paints for this. So we had a green primer, which gave us our base. Then we moved on to a fairly good color green. I wasn't so happy with the quality of the green, but it does the job. And as long as you paint it nice and cleanly, it comes out beautifully.
Mission accomplished. Well done, man.
And then a little bit of a matte and a gloss coat gives you everything you need to create a perfect little Green Army Man. Now, of course, like we've mentioned, our Patreon, if you want to just download the 3D models that we've made and print and paint them, go ahead. But if you want to go into more detail and make your own custom poses, well, hopefully now we've provided you the tools to do that. So we hope you enjoyed, and stay tuned for our next episode.